Hello everyone, welcome to this Learn Anyone channel. So today basically we will discuss how SAP Consultant, what was the day to work by SAP Consultant. So in this video basically you will learn how a SAP Consultant and what was the daily work by SAP Consultant daily, right? So this is a very valuable sessions for beginner, consultant and fresher. So be there to till end of the sessions. So basically we are discussing we're focusing basically the support projects. Okay, so whenever you start working by the SAP consultant, so first of all we should know what is the SAP consultant. So SAP consultant is a consultant which is assist the SAP task basically. So SAP consultant, it may be the functional, technical, tester, or reviewer. So these are the types of and based on the role they are working there in SAP projects, right? So let's see. So first of all, as a SAP consultant, okay, you have to check your mail and Teams. Okay, day to day. You have to check. Other than whenever you check the mails and Teams, then you have to monitor your processions. Like depend upon the projects, which are a project like big or a small, depend upon the projects, the work basically and bandwidth have to divide among the particular team members. So let's see, if you are in the shift, okay, then you have to manage and all, right? You have to parallel, you have to monitor the shift, okay, and monitor the process and data load, and you have to uh, remedy basically, or you can say service now, you have to monitor for the incident, right? So depend upon, so once that incident, and you know that procession has monitor, then you have to have a particular time like team meetings, like daily team meetings. So in this meeting we were discussing like what is the top priority, and any road blocker or any like team member having stuck in anywhere, or if need someone the helps. So these are the basically, and what are the top priority we have to take care, and also the status of the incident. If in case any change request, then definitely we will discuss with the leads, okay, and we can start working the for the day. So after that, once these are the done, then we have to keep focus on the incident, like support, okay, of the daily work. Like we are getting like either the incident like a P1, P2, or P3, or P4 basically. These are the SLA. Based on that, we and priority, we are start working on that. So let's see, so and what are kind of the data basically issues we are getting. So daily we are getting the report issue, like data is not reconciled, what are the data in the ECC or EWM that is not in the available in the report. This is a one kind of issue. Other issues, let's say sometimes your user is logged, okay, you have to reach out to basis or security to unlock. And other than some like kind of another issue, maybe some changes on the report. Let's see, user are not proper reports, they want some extra fields. So we have to like ask user to raise a change request, because this is out of our scope. So this kind of like activity we have to do it. So once done, then we have to go to the lunch, and after lunch we will have a client call, like status of the any kind of a major P1 incident or change request or any update. Let's see, use client wants some updates, okay. So and whatever the some work they have to do as a team, so you have to finish on the day, on you have to update on the after lunch. So after that, okay, once done, then you have to, okay, in case you are monitoring, okay, you have to fix at that time. If in case any error, okay, so you have to drop the mail to the source team why this happening, okay, which is not possible to resolve our in BW team or something, any SAP team. So you have to drop the mail into the source team. So these are the basic things, okay, for as a SAP consultant day-to-day lives is happening. And after 6, okay, like in the evening, okay, we will have some special team calls, like what is the status of change request, and what is the like a major incident you are working, and any procession which is not fixed yet. So we can discuss among our teams, and we can have a conclusion on that. Apart from that, some we will have also some KT. If you new member will come, so we have to provide the KT, or if any knowledge session, like sharing sessions, like if you have explored something, some new idea or something new knowledge or any new tools. Let's say AFO is a new tool, or data warehousing, or different BTP, so many tools in the market. So if someone is have a depth knowledge or start working or something, okay, you can discuss with and you can share with your team. So these are the basic things, okay, as a support consultant, okay, and SAP consultant, you can assist. So these are the basically role and responsibility for every SAP consultant. So hope this is a good, and at least you have some idea about how the SAP consultant is working in SAP project. So make sure, please have a good a review of this, and please share and like, subscribe this channel, and make sure you can comment if in case any new topic if required, or any questions, okay, and anything you want, you can mail us. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.